Prophets in Islam series. 25 Prophets, one message, one God. Number 12. Shuaib alayhi salam. Name: Shuaib alayhi salam. Birth and lineage. Full name: Shuaib Ibn Mikil or Mikhail, from the descendants of Madyan, son of Ibrāhīm alayhi salam. He belonged to the people of Madyan, a community in northwestern Arabia. To Madyan we sent their brother Shuaib. Family: had at least 2 daughters, one married to Mūsā alayhi salam. Wives and sons not mentioned explicitly in Quran or Hadith, known as a family of piety and generosity. The people of Madyan, a commercial society known for trade, cheating in measurements, and corruption. They altered scales, committed economic injustice, and caused societal imbalance. Prophethood and message: sent to guide the people of Madyan to Tawheed and moral honesty. He warned against idolatry, fraud, and unjust social practices. Give full measure and weight, and do not deprive people of their due. Response of his people: they mocked him and rejected his warnings. Does your prayer command you to leave what our fathers worshipped? Threatened to exile him if he didn't confirm. The divine punishment: they persisted in corruption and disbelief. Allah destroyed them by a severe earthquake and blast from the sky. Those who denied Shuaib were as if they had never prospered therein. Link with Prophet Mūsā alayhi salam. After fleeing Egypt, Prophet Mūsā alayhi salam stayed with Shuaib alayhi salam. Mūsā alayhi salam married Shuaib alayhi salam's daughter and worked for him for 8 to 12 years. I wish to marry you to one of these 2 daughters of mine. Death: lived among righteous few who followed him after the destruction of Madyan. Grave: some narrations claim his grave lies in Jordan or the Sinai area, but the exact location is unknown. No definitive source in Quran or authentic Hadith for burial. Legacy: symbol of economic justice, fair trade, and ethical dawah. Frequently referenced when addressing corruption and business ethics. Mentioned in multiple surahs: Al-Aʿrāf, Surah Hud, Ash-Shuʿarā, Al-Qaṣaṣ. Mentions in Quran: mentioned by name in the Quran over 11 times. Known as Akhu Madyan, their brother from within. His story is a key lesson on economic integrity, social reform, and divine accountability. Key qualities: truthful and eloquent, brave in dawah despite mockery, compassionate advisor, Nasir Amin. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more Prophet facts.